this is Catherine. I'm in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island of Hawaii. I decided to stay in a cabin at the national park and I wanted to show it to you. So here we are, we're on the outside. This is cabin number 8. You check in at the Volcano House by the visitor center. That's where they have breakfast and lunch. But here's the inside of my cabin. So it's got nice bedding, white bedding, a couple of pillows. It was really comfortable. I stayed here last night. There's a shelf. You can put your luggage. It does come with electricity. So there are 2 twin-size bunk beds. You know how much kids love bunk beds. There's another little shelf over there. One here. The cabins do come with towels and bedding plus extra blankets. There's a rod to hang hanging clothes if you're so fancy to have hanging clothes on your Hawaiian vacation. It's kind of casual here. There's a couple of towels, another shelf, and again, here's the bed. It's a full-size bed. And then outside, we still have our stuff, but it's a picnic table. This is covered because it does kind of rain frequently, you know, just for a little bit. Barbecue pit. I have a fire pit there. And then I'll show you outside. They're A-frames. These have been recently repainted in the last few years. So, you know, if you're a mom, you might remember this might look like something the Brady's would have stayed in from the Brady Bunch. But then they're all clustered together. So I'm in number 8, and right there is the bathhouse. So it's nice, hot showers, running water. And so we're all kind of clustered together. So even though we're in the campground, we're not near the campers. Again, I am in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island. And this is where I stayed last night.